Now let's take our favorite component to the next level. So I want to be able to be notified when the user clicks on this favorite component. So I want this component to raise a custom event like change that we can bind to a method in our host component. So in app component, I want to have a method like onFavorite changed. And this method will be called whenever our favorite component raises the change event. So let's go to app.component.ts. Here we want to add that method onFavorite changed. For now, let's just add a simple message in the console. Favorite changed. Now back in the template, we need to extend our favorite component so it raises the change event whenever the user clicks on this component. How do we do that? It's very similar to what we did earlier. So instead of declaring an input property, we want to declare an output property. Let's see. So let's go back to our favorite component. First on the top, I'm going to import the output decorator function from Angular/core. Then I'm going to declare a field here, and the name of this field should be exactly the same name as the event we want to raise, in this case, change. Now we should decorate this field with our output decorator. Now we should also initialize this field to an instance of the event emitter class. Let me show you. So we use the new operator and then event emitter. So because event emitter is not a primitive type in TypeScript or in JavaScript, we need to use the new operator to create an instance of this class. Now you can see we have a compilation error here because we have not imported this class on the top. Now if you're using the auto import plugin, you can press Command and period on Mac or Control and period on Windows. And in this menu, select the last item, add event emitter to existing import declaration from Angular/core. Now, if you're not using this plugin, simply go on the top and import event emitter here. Okay, the compilation error is gone. Now, finally, in our onClick method, after we toggle the isSelected field, we want to raise an event. We use our event emitter for that. So this, the change, that's our event emitter. Now here we have a method called emit, and we use that to raise or publish an event, which basically means notifying others that something has happened. Now let's test this. Save, back in the browser. So I'm going to click this icon. Now look in the console. We got this message, favorite changed. So this is how we raise custom events from our components. In the next lecture, I'm going to show you how to pass event data when raising an event.